Okay, so we just resume where we left. So basically, we have to go on the same window as a Visual Studio, right? Okay, so first command doc type, second command HTML, and everything will be inside the HTML command from starting and closing tag. All other commands. This represent that whole page that is in written in HTML, right? Okay, now first here, what you have to do now, you have to define your title of the page, right? For that, the command you use he head, right? And close it. You will see the slash head, right? And that you will go always in the middle, right? And here write the content. Content mean what is your the text which you want to make as a head, right? So you will do a few things in head, like you will declare a title. When you give this main command, head and slash head, and then sub second command is better give bit like space with space. What will it help you? Easy to read for readability. It is called a dentation, right? Because if you write in a same line all commands, it's not like you get confused, right? Not good for reading. So when there is a command and you writing within that, you can make some addend. Even you have written a HTML first command, after that head you can addend, like here, and same line head slash, right? And this one HTML is okay. Here you can write, okay, first declare the title of your page. Use a title command, right? This one, and it automatically give you the slash title, and go between and type here your title of the page. What is the title of your page? Let's say we have like the same bridal shop, ABC bridal dress shop. Any name you can have. What you have to do, you have to follow me the same coding, start doing, or even if not your that code is running, you can write in notepad, right? You can just start notepad there and keep following me, copying this code. You also, Shafiq, start notepad there. If VS code is not running, just start notepad and copy this code, because at the end when we finish, most of the code is will be ready. Then you will not be get confused, right? So what you have to do, you have to give only your own content, right? Like I my title is a ABC bridal dress shop. Your title could be XYZ cosmetics, right? His title could be a ABC tourism, right? Or whatever your business name you suggested, right? So you just put your own contact content. So in the end result, your project almost will be ready by this. So you will make some changes or some more things you can add relevant to your thing. Things will be ready. But main structure I will teach you here. You got idea now, Seema? You also try to follow, right? Yeah. Just what I am doing, type with your hand. And the best practice for learning the any computer language, coding especially, is a typing with your hand, right? When you type the commands, you will memorize it by the practice. Otherwise, you will forget it. So just keep following me, right? So I have given a title, where this title will appear when I will run this website. My title will appear like here. This is the like title of the window. Similar, my that website will show on the top the tab. So this title will go there. This is not part of page. This will go on top. Like here, you see, this is the title of this tab, like these, right? So I will show you later. So okay, after the title, what you need, let's say you want to give a your business name, same similar ABC dresser shop as a on the top, like in this word file you have seen, like this one, right? You want to give bit bigger your business name, right? Similar, yes, here. Okay, for that purpose you can use a header or H1, right? Header are the both similar things, I think, right? So you can use a H1. Let me see, we use a header. What is the difference in that header? Oh, yeah, okay. So in that header you can define your type, your page header, right? Page header is like, now you want to give the business name, like ABC dress shop, right? And that should be the bigger one. For making a bigger one, you need to use a command, heading command. Heading commands are H1, H2, H3, up to the level 6, like H1, right? And this one, yes. So this one is a biggest heading level. So here I can write, okay, ABC similar, ABC bridal suitings, let's say. Here I give a that bit different, right? After that, I want to give my slogan line for the business, right? So that you can show as a smaller, like H2 or H3. H3 is a more smaller level heading, right? Here and in the between, come and type. Okay. Here you can give any slogan. We are leaders in bridal fashion, right? Bridal or bridal suitings or bridal dresses, right? Or fashion industry, whatever you want to say. It's just your slogan about your business, right? It's up to you, whatever you like. After that, up to now, you are given a just title, heading, right? Yes, keep typing, make it, copy it yourself. Up to now, if you want to see what it will show on the browser side, you have to always save file. Whenever you want to run or change, save file. It will save in the same folder, right? How you can check? Just go to the same folder where you have stored it. So here I have made some folder, I think so. What was the folder? No, you have to find out what was the folder name I have given. Save. It is in class writers. It's in class and bridal fashion. I made some folder here. This one. Oh, it's on a wrong place. I have declared. Yeah, it's a different place. I declared the folder. Look, this I reach to that folder and this file is here. Index. Simple. Run it. Look, if I run, how it show like this. Up to the code what I have done. This is showing ABC bridal shooting. We are leaders in bridal fashion, right? Similar, no more than that. So this you can see. And where is the title? Here. You see, this is the title. Title command did this. ABC bridal shop. And this is heading H1. And this is H2 or H3, right? So this way it shows your that what you have done. You can execute and double click the index file or any file you created in HTML and it will run in browser. This is how to execute, right? Okay, now go back. Okay, after that, let's say this main heading, I want to give a one line, just line, horizontal line. The command we have for that is HR, horizontal rule. This one, it simply show one line, right? And after that line, let's say you want to show one line, two line, it's up to you. I want to leave some blank lines, BER, this, right? So after that, it will just leave a blank line, two blank line, right? HR, horizontal rule, line, right? So it will show simple. Or either this, even after this, you can show a one line, blank line. Blank BR is a break, right? BR. So mean after that you want to show just a one blank line and then a single line, right? Let's say how it shows. Just save and go to execution to your browser. Just okay. Look, Is it? This is the one line. Okay. Now you want to show here a logo after BR, logo of your company, your business name, image. So what the command is? IMG, IMG, IMG. Just click IMG will come and select it. It will automatically give you all the parameters inside. Right? If you don't know this command, you don't remember where you can check it, exact context of the W3 school, right? So then you need to go to W3 school like this and check here how to display image or what is the image command. In this list, you can find out IMG or just on the like find out here how to use image HTML. Here you will find somewhere images or alphabetical commands, right? Like here is a IMG command like this, and you can see here how it is used. Example: IMG, SRC, image name, space, alt. This is optional, right? Width and height and close this. So image command mainly need a file name and width and height. How much big image you want to show, right? So here SRC image SRC. Let's say you want to display your logo. Give the logo file name, logo PNG, logo JPG. But remember this file you should have in your folder as well. First, let's say we write this, then how to make a logo image, you can do it later. Okay, let's say, and if you want to give a width and height, come here and then use width and space height, just height, right here. So just give the file name and width, because how much big in pixels, right? Let's say I want 200 or 250 width in pixels and 300 with like height, right? And that's it. I want to show image, and after that image I want to show a line, right? So this is you are setting up within a header all, because on top all these things will be displayed, right? Now see logo PNG don't have, but see how to run it. Okay, run it this file. Go to your browser and just refresh it, that window. Okay, see here, this is showing like a image but not actual image coming. Why not coming? Because we haven't downloaded an image in that folder, so it is a blank showing, but it have made a image sign over there, right? So for now you need to put some image over there. So what you can do, you can copy some images in that folder. Let's say I have already some images, I copy all these because we will use this. Where to copy? In a same folder where your index file is. My my index file is here. Paste it. Okay. But remember here logo dot this image file extension is different. WebP, right? And in my code it is PNG. So I have to change this to the same as in a file because otherwise it will not find. Same extension of the file should be there, right? Logo.webp. Now save it and refresh it. Check it. Look, image has come. It's a bit bigger. Logo should be a bit smaller. Look smaller. So what you can do, make it small. Here, this you can width 100 and like 200 height, right? Let's say check it. How to run? Just refresh your file. That look bit smaller, more smaller you want to do, go change the like okay 100 width and 150. Okay, and save. Keep saving. Okay, now it will be bit smaller. Now see how it appears like this. Now let's say one more thing I want to do. This line I want, this break line BR I want to remove because it's going down due to that. Just okay, remove. Okay, fine. And save and check. Okay, picture. Why? Your check your file name, extension, right click properties, check the picture in folder. Select the picture and like here go to into your folder where your file is, right? It should be the similar same where you have index file. Look here. Okay, picture is there. You have to check the extension, right click, properties, and see the extension, exact file name. Like these properties. You see, this is a full file name. Logo.webp. Check you. Huh? PNG. So your file, it should come there. You have a file there. Check your text here. Have you given the logo.png? This one. You have to write logo.png, whatever your file name, not similar to me. So logo is appeared there, and after that, what do you want to do? Within a header section, you want to display your menus as well. Let's say links, right? You can, or let's say when you run this, it comes on this tile. You want to bring it all in center, like in Word, right? You do the center command. So there is a center command in HTML. How? Where you want to start make a center from all everything from here to up to now, right? So you can after the header and this whole header before center. So everything you want to make a center, just give a here after the header, go here, give center command. Center is close starting from here and take this closing center. Cut from here, sorry, like delete from here. Closing center should be here because everything within that will become a center, right? So remove this one, right? So now you, what will happen? Everything in this is centered. Just save it and run it. If you see, look, everything has come in a center. Is that? Just put a center command after the header and slash center command before the slash header. Clear? Fine. Even up to now, I can copy paste in Teams just to, let's say, from here. I have sent this code, right? Up to now, right? Okay. Now we come back like this after the what we want to give. After the line, I want to give a, let's say, menus, navigation menu, like in your Word, if you remember, like here uh, in your wireframe, that let's say you decided my menus will be here after the or somewhere here, right? So the menus are links basically. So how you can make the links? I remove this. Okay. So here command A, you remember, to make a link. A, this one. A H reference and the slash A is a closing. H reference is a reference to that file which will be loaded when the user will click on this menu. So my first menu or your first menu should be the home page. Home, right? So it will refer to first file in your page in your website. And what is your first file? Good. So it will refer to index. So you have to give the name of file index.html. It's mean when someone will click on a home, it will load itself. Like this is the first file, it will load itself. If someone in a product page, if you click home, it will come to the main page, index page, right? Okay. So yes, index.html. And after that, this is the space between before slash a, because something you have to give here. Here you have to give that content which user will see. Like you can make here home, user will see this on the page there as a link where he can click. Index is a file name, but this is the word user will see on their screen as a link, or you can make a about us, right? First page, but normally home is used is a good, right? So this will be mentioned here. Now this is your first link. Let's say how many menus you want to create in your website, 4 or 5 pages, your site map, as per your site map. So first link you have created. So second, okay, second is a product, third is a services, fourth is a contact us or FAQ, let's say. So again the next you have to give a next a, again a command, right? Just type again, same h reference. Now the reference should be to the second file, second page, which is your product. You can say product.html, right? And come between the similar place between the a and slash a, because here this is a starting command, this is a closing command. Here, what the word you will show as a link to this file. Let's say our products, my products, our dresses. Simple. And here, not necessary to use the same word as a product file name. Our collection. Yes, good word. Our bridal collection.